Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be talking about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method, which is a simple but very effective strategy for packing a travel capsule wardrobe. It ensures you have everything you need without overpacking. So this method means that all you need is actually 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 dresses, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 swimsuits, 2 bags, and 1 type of each accessory. Now, I've seen different interpretations of this method, and of course, the variety of items you will be taking with you depend on your destination, on the season, so make sure to make it work for yourself. I've recently got a chance to travel to the Maldives, and I used this packing method, and I'm happy to share you the items I brought with me. But also, guys, if you haven't checked my vlog yet, make sure to do it because I think it's such a beautiful place, and I hope you will like it too. Alright, so let me show you what I packed with me. Okay, let's start with the 5 tops. So, the first top actually is the one that I'm wearing right now. I bought it from Sézane. It arrived just while I was packing my bag. And I would say, okay, I will take it with me. That's a good sign. I found this beautiful shirt during Sézane archive sales, and I think there were just a couple of items left like that, and I really like the fabric. This is 100% cotton, but what is amazing actually is that it is batiste. That means that the fabric is super lightweight, which is perfect for humid and hot days. And I also like the colorways. It works amazing with a lot of items in my wardrobe. So yeah, I took it with me and I managed to pair it with a lot of items like I said. I will show you the bottoms I packed and you will understand it better. So I really like shirts. You know, this time I really wanted to add more buttons to my wardrobe, and this one was also a nice option. This is also batiste, by the way. As you can see, it's super lightweight. And the pattern is very nice. It's a very light color, but it's very interesting. I like it because you can wear it on its own, but it's also perfect for layering, and I love layering. So yeah, that was my second choice. I really wanted to have fun, and I decided to add not only more patterns but also more color. So I packed this red shirt with me. I have it for a couple of years, I think, and I really like it, especially on holidays. So it's batiste as well. It's super lightweight and you can style it various ways. You know, the key is actually to find your color palette. I will leave you guys a link as well if you want to know more how to do it. But it's definitely something that helped me a lot. There is nothing better than stripes for summer. So I've been wearing this one non-stop in my daily life, and I think there is something special about it. Stripes always speak holidays to me, so I pack it with me. This one is made of linen. As you know, linen is amazing for summer as well. The top, number 5. This is a white t-shirt. You have already seen it in one of the previous videos when I was sharing with you my purchases from Sézane. So this was actually the item that I decided to keep because I like it so much. You know, it's just an elevated version of a simple t-shirt, and I really like that you can play with the neckline here. Alright, so shall we move to the bottoms? The thing about me is that I really try to be active as much as I can, even when I'm on beach holidays. So I packed a few pairs of shorts with me. I don't think that there is a lot to say about shorts, but all of them are actually made of linen. I think it's one of the best fabrics for shorts, and most of them are a few years old. So I brought this color, which is called khaki, and it paired nicely with this shirt. Then a pair of white shorts. This is just such a versatile option. And then a pair of blue shorts. So I was able to wear shorts on multiple occasions as we were cycling around the island. So I was really happy I packed 3 options. And since that was a rainy season in the Maldives, I actually packed a pair of white linen trousers just in case, but it worked out very well. It's a classic straight cut linen pants, and it's definitely a nice piece to invest in if you don't have a pair yet. I don't know about you, but I don't wear dresses a lot of times during my daily life, and I'm always happy when I'm able to pack them with me on holidays. So this time I actually packed 3 dresses. I followed this method, I'm telling you. I packed this versatile black dress. So this dress works perfectly with a lot of shorts I've already shown you, but moreover it can give you an illusion of being a skirt as well if you lay it properly. So it's a previous collection from Sandro. It's not available online anymore, unfortunately, but I found a couple of similar options and I will link them for you guys. Another favorite dress of mine is this wonderful. I love this color, it makes me so happy and I always bring it with me on holidays. It's just such an easy piece to wear. It's actually linen and viscose blend fabric. It's always wrinkles a little bit, despite how well I steam it. Anyway, this is what I love about linen. And another dress, as you can see, it's already here. That's my recent purchase from Reformation. And you know, I obviously took it on holidays with me. If you have watched a dedicated video about this dress, you already know that I've been thinking about it for a year before buying it. But I think it's definitely worth it. Right, so the packing method says that you need 3 pairs of shoes. I know that I would not wear shoes during our stay in the Maldives because it's essentially a barefoot concept, but I packed 2 pairs of shoes and I'm so glad I did. Like I said, we were cycling. You know, whenever I'm in doubt, I always pack neutral color shoes, and this time that was this pair of sandals. They are so versatile. You know, neutral color shoes are amazing if you are petite. They can help us look taller, so you can never go wrong with a pair of neutral sandals. And another pair is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. That's a pair of black flats. I actually bought them 3 years ago, but I don't know why I didn't wear them as much as I wish. So yeah, I decided to take them with me, and they are perfect for summer. They can help elevate your look. Oh yeah, by the way, I traveled in trainers. Does it count? Let me know in the comments. So obviously I could not go to the Maldives without my swimming suits. I packed 3. Although the method says 2, I knew that 2 swimsuits would not be enough for me. I have 2 swimsuits from last year collection. I'm not sure if they're available online, guys. I will look and let you know. But I just wanted to share you my recent purchase that actually arrived right on time. I was looking for elevated swimsuits for something elegant. I didn't know about PQ swimwear before, and I came across this wonderful piece on their website. So I fell in love with it, and that's the story. Right, again, the method says you need to pack 2 bags. I didn't really need 2 bags, so I packed just 1 raffia bag. You have seen it multiple times. I wear it non-stop this summer. I'm actually thinking that bringing a tote bag with me could be also a good option. Fortunately, the hotel provided us with a tote bag, but this is something that I would probably consider for my future holidays. And then the last thing is the accessory. Now, in my case, I packed the cap as I knew I would need it on holidays. The sun is super strong. And as for the jewelry, I took my favorite pearl stud earrings and pearl necklace. I love them so much, and I knew that would be perfect for the holidays. And I hope you guys found this packing method useful. Let me know if you've used it before or if you're planning to use it, because it definitely helped me. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!